Welcome back, builders, to Fluffy's Brick Studio, and today we're going to be unboxing the Modular Building Collection Tudor Corner. It is Lego Icons 18 plus set 10350. It comes with 3,266 pieces and about 7 minifigures. Here we go. We're going to check out those 7 minifigures right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Does that make it 8? Look at that. You got that gentleman over there. Does that make it 8? Is there 8 minifigures? So by flipping this box over, we can take a look at the back side. It is a corner modular, so you technically would be putting it in a corner spot in your city. It fits well with the jazz club and the museum. So my city isn't going to be able to work as a corner, so I'm going to have to modify it and probably put it at the end of the shelf city. Probably I might put jazz club up against it and then museum. So go museum, jazz club, then Tudor corner. But Tudor corner is definitely going to be at the far end of my city. As you can see over there, the city is starting to become, and it'll be stretched all the way to the end. Museum is 10362. Jazz Club is 10312. Just a heads up, Jazz Club does retire at the end of 2025. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 interactive scenes. This does connect to any other modular building, but we're going to be doing something different here. You're going to see the progress of this slowly happen more and more, but it's going to be going on a Mills plate. And not only is it going on a regular Mills plate, but it's also the Mills plate is going to be wirelessly powered, so I can power this whole thing. Because as we build this set, we're also going to be lighting Tudor corner at the same time. I'm going to be doing a special video directly telling how to add the wireless system into this plate. Stay tuned, that video will be coming out shortly. Next, we're going to do right now is we're going to crack open this box and see what we got inside. All right, this is the magnificent Tudor corner. I already undid the side of the box. So let's grab everything out. Technically, the base plate that's going to be in this. Ooh, we got another paper. Technically, the base plate that's going to be in this set is technically going to be used for the next set. Is this the base plate? Did they really put the base plate in cardboard? Look at that green base plate. This base plate will be used for another set because I already have this ready to go. We got our trend of the paper bags for instructions. If you guys remember when we did the T-Rex, or I didn't do it. I had someone come build it for me. The instructions were in a paper bag, and the trend continues. We got the paper bag again. Unfortunately, I will not be using these instructions during the build because I'll be using Light My Bricks instructions so I can be able to build and light it. Wow, the bags actually came out in a decent order. What do we got? Let's find the highest number bag. So 19 I see so far. We got 19 bags, so we got more. And 15, 12. Looks like it's 19 bags. There's going to be 19 bags in this set. The instructions are going to be 337 pages with some interesting facts in the beginning. Don't forget to scan your insider code so you can get your 20 points, 25 points. 21 bags. So there's there's 19 bags in total is what it's looking like. 19 bags, instructions in the paper booklet, 3,000 plus pieces. And not only are we going to be doing that, we're also going to be adding the light kit while we build it, so we can't be able to use these amazing instructions. We have to use Light My Bricks. So not only are we going to be doing that, I already have the power port ready to go right here. So we shall see. But I will be using another 30 to test it out, because the only way to test this out is I have to have another modular. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in seeing how to make a Mills Plate wireless. So by making a Mills Plate wireless, you're going to have one incoming USB at the start of your city, and then each other plate is going to be wirelessly plated. So as you connect each building together, you don't have to run another USB to it. It's already on the plate. So, all right, guys, thank you for this unboxing. I'll see you guys all live as we build this. Remember, all sets are built live. All smaller sets are built time-lapse, and all tiny sets are stop motion. Guys, thank you for hanging out. I'll see you guys all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, keep building your life just one small brick at a time. Bye for now.